back here on Pierre. I just took the rest of the water pump hardware out. I do need to get our alternator bracket unbolted the rest of the way so we can take that out of the way and pull the pump off. And I can get our fuel pump out of here, and I can start getting the rest of the timing cover hardware out. I also need to pull the crank pulley. Alright, pulling the balancer bolt out. Didn't even need the impact, mainly because it probably wasn't put together correctly. Oh, all the balancer, all the pulley bolts are gone and out, so we need to tap this to get it out. Alright, got our puller ready. Gonna get this balancer off. And we get to deal with all of this fun. Gotta undo some bolts from the oil pan as well. And we can pull the timing cover off. Fuel pump's ready to pop off. It's already unbolted. Then you can see how good the timing chain is. Ugh, we shall see. Alright, balancer's off. The rest of our timing cover hardware. Go and do a couple oil pan bolts and pull this baby off. Alright, timing cover's out. Left the oil pump on it. Ugh. Ugh. Somebody went silicone crazy. So our leak was definitely right there, as you can see. Wow, they even missed with this part of the gasket. Ugh. Woo! Timing chain like my ex. So, gonna get a nice timing chain for this too. Damn it. And I'll drop the oil pan from underneath. Should we have room? If not, we can always lift the motor up. But yeah, stupid link chain. Hencho in Mexico. Well, that's no bueno. We'll get a nice double roller like a proper car should have. Fun, fun. But now we know the extent of our shenanigans. Pull the slinger off here. Alright. Undo the bolt here, pull everything off. Pull the timing set. I'm gonna show Tom first. Alright, pulling apart the timing set. Gonna get the distributor gear off. Yes, it's keyed. And the eccentric for the fuel pump. Pull this hot fucking disaster off of here. Fun, fun. Alright.